recap. No trades took in. Let's go over the whole day. And yeah, let's get into it. So today I was expecting a New York reversal. Why was I expecting New York reversal? Why do I still think market should be going down to this daily previous day's low, right? Why do I still expect the market to go down there? Because Asian session did not really create any low here, did not tap any key level. So New York session, Asian session started around somewhere 18 to right when 17 o'clock is. That's when Asian session starts, right? But the Q zone every session is at 18 o'clock, right? You see, right when Asian session started, market really never tapped into a key level, right? So we were already in a key level, so market really never tapped into any key level. So I was expecting this to be a fake low. I was expecting lower prices, right? Now, how is this a New York reversal? If we go to London session right over here, right? If we go to the 15-minute time frame, London session really, which is down from here from 2 to 5 a.m., right? It's our kill zone, right? To make a high of the day or low of the day, right? It says now today I'm bearish, right? So I'm looking for a high of the day, right? Which you can see at 5 a.m. market at 4 a.m. went around when the candle closed. There was no made up high of the day. How was there no made high of the day? Although there was a key level right here, which was an hourly auto block. Market really never respected that auto block. Would have the only way it would have been a high of the day would have been if market gave a good reaction out of it, right? So like going down here would have been a good reaction out of making this a high of the day. Then would have expect a New York London session reversal and New York, continuation to the downsides, which is to be right over here, right? But that was not the case. So New York went up, took out the previous day's high, tested fair value gap, which for the key level, what we're looking for for the daily profile, we're looking for a 4-hour key level, a hourly 4-hour and a daily key level, right? So market went over here right before the 9 a.m. candle. Market gave us a huge move down to the downside, giving us the high of the day. How would be this the high of the day? Is a New York reversal. And the only way that would be the high of the day, because we can see the key level, it gave us a good reaction out of it, right? Closing below it and creating us a hourly auto block right over here. This hourly auto block was a previous day's high. So a CISD as well over here. And this right here sponsored that move down to the downside. So now let's go to the intraday profile. Let's see what were the market profiles throughout this way, how and why did the market not retrace back up here, right? Market did retrace to give us an entry here, but it was before 9 a.m. so I didn't accept it. But yeah, I was waiting to 9 a.m. I was looking to sell above the opening price for the next candle. The 4 a.m. using open high low close concept. So yeah, I was just looking to tap into a key level, which already tapped into it, but the key level did not offer us a 2 RR or more. So I was like, oh yeah, it's not acceptable. So let's get into it right up here, right? You could see market opened into a straightaway ranging, right? Market ranged for a little bit. Market expanded, right? Expansion right over here. Another range, not range, another retracement, another market there, another, expansion, a little bit consolidation. After consolidation could be a manipulation or another expansion. Market expanded right over here. Retraced right over here. Another expansion, which literally failed to take out this high. We made an equal high, probably SMT there, right? And made another retracement, another expansion. But this expansion went to a key level. So from a key level, we can expect two things when the market expands to a key level: a consolidation or a reversal. So after that, we got a reversal right over here. Let me do the chart real quick. So you can see right after that, we got a reversal to the downside. Got a huge good reaction after the downside, right? Although people might say this is that TGIF Friday, right? TGIF Friday. No, it's just because for EURUSD, that's different, right? Because for other pairs, like for other like for like NQES, right? That might be a TGIF, right? But for this, the weekly objective goal has been not met yet. You can see, I mean, it looks like to be all the way down here since the 3 months, right? So we go to the 3-month time frame. We put that as this is a 3 month is like a key time for the market. for a 3 month time frame, right? We're in this huge range right over here. We're in this, you know, we're in this big ass range, so we're looking for lower prices from here, right? And why would we not call this? Because Trump is in the play, and 50% got met, right? So other 50% got met. We could be using this as our, as our CRT. So we're looking for lower prices to all over here, right? And yeah, that's the reason why the weekly objective got not met. That's why I was looking for more of a shorting opportunity, right? The 3 month was bearish, right? And you can see London session really never created the low of the day or high of the day because you never tested a key level. There was no key level. This key level never gave the reaction, so that can't be a high of the day because we need a reaction. Reaction is more important than a tapping a key level. If you can tap a key level, but there's no reaction on the key level, that key level can get ran through, right? So we never had a reaction, so we wait until next session. At 7 is we're looking for another big move to happen. Market tap to a key level straight away. 7 to 8 is a good time to soup out some CRT high, CRT low, which we got at 7 a.m. 7 to 8, we got it right at 8. We soup it out, right? So right over here, we got a reaction to the downside for right when it touches the expansion, reversal. After the reversal, we got a small retracement back to the upside, hitting our entry, which was basically 9 o'clock. So I did not take that trade. I mean, I should have, since I don't really need to wait to 9, but yeah, because we already have our CRT here. We already have our, 5 a.m. CRT high. This is the 1 a.m. CRT and the 5 a.m. CRT high. Soup it out. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So this kind of should have been definitely more moves to the downside. So yeah, you can see right over here. I should have definitely entered this trade, but I was during that time. Yeah, I think why didn't I enter this trade? Because I went to 9 o'clock. I was waiting for the next candle to open and to close to sell above the opening price. So I thought the market go back over here and tap to this key level and get some reaction out of here and push down. But as you can see, that would have not worked out. How would have not worked out in our favor is because market already did a retracement. After retracement, it cannot be another retracement, right? It cannot be another push up to the upside. After retracement, it's going to be two things only, right? Accumulation or expansion. So market did an expansion straight away to the key level. So now I'm not looking for no trades because my objective got met. My runners will be over here to go to the downside. I'm still thinking lower prices to the downside to all the right here, closing below it. If that could happen, hey, I'll be happy. If not, then I will, be whatever because I didn't take any trade. But yeah, today was a pretty good day. But I could have definitely shorted over here to the downside, going for a 2RR. That's also right above there. It was before the entry gave us they gave us the entry for 9 a.m. But I should have definitely entered the trade. Why should have I entered the trade? Because we already had because a 5 a.m. candle would not be the CRT because market gave us a confirmation that it would not be the CRT. What's the confirmation? That there is a, how can I say that there is a auto block CIZ as a confirmation for the market to not make the 5 a.m. as our CRT, which when we get the confirmation that 1 a.m. will be our CRT, the 5 will be a manipulation, the 9 a.m. will be the, expansion, which would have a 2R. We could have taken a trade, but I missed it. But yeah, it's a learning lesson regardless. Next time, if I do see that 1 a.m. or 5 a.m. candle being the CRT, I mean, it can only be the 1 a.m. candle, right? Not the 5 a.m. If I see the 1 a.m. candle being the CRT next time, and I see the entry happening before the 9 a.m., I will enter the trade. But runner is going to be till right over here going for a 4RR. This is my trade market breakdown of what happened today. Today was a New York reversal profile and expecting lower prices, although it could be a TGIF, but you could see, man, weekly adjusted derivative never got met, and as well, we were in a dealing range. What was the dealing range? This huge, right? We were in discount. That's why market did a huge reversal to the downside because why would the market retrace back up all over here when it should have been going downside, right? Discount, right? Market had a range. Market took out the high, which was somewhere over here, took out the low, we had another low, and from this high to this low, we have a range. So our range goal would be down here, and right now currently we were in a discount area. So Selling above that price would be a good price. You can see that entry would be right above the discount. And yeah, that would have been a good trade to take. But yeah, this is my trade recap. I do want to see lower prices at the downside to this right over here. I'm not going to be trading GU anymore. I'm just going to be using GU just for the HMT Confluence. Why am I not? Although sometimes I might get GU as our, as our entry. But when that's happened, I might do two things, right? Get a different type of entry or not enter the trade, right? Just let the market do its thing, because I can't keep doing two pairs at once. It's kind of hard for me to go. Oh, I put all my fur at this, now I have to go put it on this, and I'll distract me on where my buy is going, because usually GU is just messing up. It's just not even correlating with this, right? You can see in the 5 a.m. candle right over here. If it would have been pattern trading, this would have been a loss, right? How would have been a loss? A lot of people took a loss because the 5 a.m. candles are low. Market pressed it out. People would think higher prices, but the higher time frame narrative is bullish. If you go to the daily time frame, market closed below. If the previous daily candle closed below the next, if this candle right over here closes below this candle, we're expecting lower prices. If it wicks above it, we're looking higher prices. If it closes above it, we're looking at higher prices, right? Something like that, things like that. But yeah, this is my trade recap. I definitely want to see a lower movement. Why do I want to see a lower movement? Once again, that Asian session is not the low of the day. Neither is the London session. So I definitely want to see lower price movement to the downside to all the way over here, getting the low of the day, and eventually just doing a little bit of accumulation. Eventually, end of the day, a solid move down here. Yeah. But yeah, this is my trade recap. We still have like another 8 hours for the market to close. So this objective goal should be met easily. Looks like it's going down here. But yeah, it's my trade breakdown. But my main focus right now is learning the intraday profile, weekly profile more, integrating them, the dealing range, integrating them, the 4-hour order flow. And for my order flow, people would say use the hourly. I would use my 4 hours of order flow, because my high time frame narrative would be the daily and the weekly and the monthly and the 3 months, right? So for the daily, if the principle, so if the price closes below, we're looking for lower prices. I'm not going to be looking to the hourly, because during that specific time, if it closes below, we're looking for lower price. You can see market rejected through this low, expanded, right? Rejected through this low, expanded. So the hourly time is going to be confusing for that. You can see rejected through this low, right over here would be more bearish trend. So the 4-hour time frame gives us more clear bias. Reject through the high, break to the low, break to the high, and break to the low right over here, right? But it's my trade breakdown. I definitely want to see lower prices. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.